What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. Today I got the Arrma Big Rock, and I'm Arrma Kraton RTR EXB 6S.
Yo, check this out.
I'm trying to determine today which one of these cars is my favorite out the two. Both of them have different drives. I just can't pinpoint which one is my most favorite out the two. Without further ado, let's get into it. This thing is a pure beast. Whoa. Yo, this thing is a beast. Yo, this thing's a pure beast. A monster of sorts. I don't know what kind of jump that was. Perfect. Yo, but these is them Proline tires, MK38, running that CNHL battery. Cause the Kraton don't really need that extra. Perfect. Don't need that extra push, so. This thing is a pure menace to society. Not bad on here, man. Not bad at all. Perfect. Now, this thing is jumping perfectly. Perfect. suspension is on point. You can kind of save this body because it don't really flip that easy. It's just bad jumps.
Here we go again.
Yo, this thing is a pure beast. Oh man. She overheated on me. I don't like how that sounded. I just don't want to stop. Oh God, these bushes strikes again. For some reason it seems like it's something going on with that. Yeah, as you can see, she got a little hot on me. This is all the factory. Factory system ain't bad at all, you know what I'm saying? It works. Servo, ESC, and the motor. It's a great combination. Got it geared up. Think I got a 18 tooth on there. It's gonna have a 20. It's mild for me. That's all it takes. Running those CNC-machined batteries. 9,000 milliamp, 120C. You see how they perform? I had them in the Kraton, and that thing was crazy. But this time I'm gonna switch it up. I'm gonna put the Power Hobby in the Kraton. See, can I tame it down some? But be right back. Yeah, check out my Kraton light job. I should have did the got white in the, okay, let's do it like this. Got white in the front, red in the back. Yeah, we're gonna do some on-road right here. I got on 75%. The thing about the Big Rock wouldn't have slid like this, so that's why I didn't do this part. I'd have been flipping them tires on the Big Rock. Oh no, man, both of them is fun as hell. But this is running Power Hobby, 6,000 milliamp, 120C. Don't have the milliamps like the CNHLs, but they got the C rating. I'm gonna see how that's gonna turn out for me. What I get with this? check out my chassis skin just in case you didn't see that. I'm gonna put it on 100%. I got it on 75. But I don't know, I love to see this thing zip around, man. Yeah, this thing is a beast. Yeah, the Kraton, them power hobby readies are kicking. Oh yeah, I gotta turn this off, put it on 75%, I forgot. Actually, I'm put it on 50%. This thing was soaring through the air. Yo. The Kraton Dashley jumps way better. Way better air control. It glides through the air. Oh God, these bushes again. Yeah, we got a lot of unwanted guests all on the car. Yeah, it's only 50%. But if I put it at 100, it's gonna over launch each time. And though it's funny because I didn't pay attention to the lights, that I was jumping and crashing and nothing happened. Like none of them are busted. Yeah, I'm taking it easy on the jumps. Stop playing safe. I want one good launch. The thing about this, perfect. Well, she launched it pretty good here. Need a little more push though. I'm put on, ooh, not 100. There we go. Put that thing on 75%.
Yo, check this out.
Perfect. Peace. Let's do it. Yo. Perfect. Toss up, people. That is definitely a toss up. Look at this. Yo. Let's put this on 100% now. off me! Get off me! Yeah, I'm launching on 100%. I know I should not be, but get off of me again. Now, these some perfect landings, man. I can pull off a backflip, but I really don't want to push it that hard. So I don't think I'm going to do that. Yo, this thing is a beast. Yeah, I'm back from the bad for both vehicles. Both of them perform great. The Kraton jumps a lot better, but the Big Rock, man, it handles everything. I think the Kraton is a little faster because it sits a little lower, and I believe I have a bigger pinion on there. But I still yet decided which one is my favorite. But in the comments below, let me know which one is your favorite out the group.
Well done.